Hello, this video has been designed to help guide you through the process of adding an activity or a resource as an instructor. As an instructor, the first step I'm going to take is to go to the Turn Editing On button. I'm going to click that button in order to add an activity or a resource. I'm now going to scroll down and I'm going to go to this Add an Activity or Resource button, which is going to provide me some options. So the first activity I'm going to add is an assignment. So I click Assignment and I actually have a description of what the assignment can do in terms of adding it for an activity. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add. So now this brings me to some options for the assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and give the assignment a name. So I'm just going to call it Reflection. Alright. So I'm just going to say reflect on the topic for the description. Now here's an option here that you want to pay attention to is display description on course page. If you have a long description, you may want to leave that unchecked so you don't have the module section be too busy. But if it's short enough, such as this one, you can put reflect on the topic. But for now, I just like to keep it off just so it's not too busy in the module section. You have some time frames that you can allow the activity to be posted, allows submissions from a date to the due date, and then you have a cutoff date. Some of the other options that you have are submission types. You have file submission, which means that they just are only going to be able to upload a possible PDF document or a Microsoft Word document, or you can add online text. As an instructor, I like to have online text added so they can upload possible hyperlinks to some multimedia that you may want to view for a project. So I'm going to go ahead and save and return to course. Now you may see that reflection is not aligned with the rest of the activities and resources. That's a quick fix. We just go to Edit and we can go to the Move Right option. So I click that and now it is aligned with the rest of the activities and resources. Now if I needed to edit the settings of this assignment, I simply go to Edit again and I will now go to Edit Settings. And now I'm able to change any of the settings that I initially selected. So now I'm going to go back to Save and Return to Course, and we are going to talk about adding a forum. Now I'm already in edit mode because I have the Turn Editing On button, so now you see it's turned to Turn Editing Off. So I'm going to go through that same process again. I'm going to add an activity or resource. This time I'm going to go to Forums. You have a description of what a forum is. The forum activity module enables participants to have asynchronous discussions, which means anywhere, anytime, i.e. discussions that take place over an extended period of time. So I'm going to add the forum, and it's going to open me up to some settings. So I'm just going to call this forum name Topic. And I'm just going to put Discuss. Again, we have the display description on course page. I'm going to leave that unchecked just because I don't like it to be too busy within the module section. You have the forum type option. We've talked about the stand-in forum for general use, which is just an open discussion, or you can have the Q&A for check for understanding. I'm going to leave this as standard forum for general use. Two key settings that you may want to look at when setting up your forum is you want to go to the grade option. We have a drop down and we have the grade category. You may want to put this under discussions depending on how your grade book is set up. If you have any questions too, you can also click on the question mark. You click on that and then you'll see a description. This setting controls the category in which this activity's grades are placed in the grade book. So just as I said, you can have descriptions if you have any questions on any of the other settings. Another one you want to go to is common module settings. If you want this forum to be hidden for an extended period of time, if you're not ready to release it yet as an instructor, but it's something that it's set up for later on in the course, you simply go to hide and you can hide the forum link, but I'm going to have it as shown. And then I'm going to go to Save and Return to Course because I'm finished with my settings. And once again, it's to the far left, but I can easily move that to the right to align it by going to Move Right. Click that twice, and now it's aligned. This concludes the video on adding assignments and forums. And be sure to also take a look at the student view videos. So as an instructor, you can view how the student sees a forum and an assignment.